how to fix holes in your asphalt driveway. So I got these little divots because I lifted my car up, and I didn't realize that because the driveway is made out of asphalt, the jack is just gonna go in and from the weight of the car and make holes into my driveway. So I'm using this latex light super patch that I got from Amazon for 10 bucks, and I'm filling in the holes and then just beating it in, and that's all you're supposed to do. Pretty quick. Here's two that I did already. They're almost starting to fade away. Once it dries over the next couple of days, as it says, it should become rock solid and almost unnoticeable. So I'm gonna beat these other guys in and show you how it makes a huge difference. Okay, so here are two that I've started beating in. Essentially, I'm taking a piece of wood, old piece of wood, putting it over it, and just beating it. That pushes it in. There's a few ways to do this. If you had a bigger place, a bigger hole, you could actually use, there's a special tool that you could buy for 30 bucks that you could use to beat it in. You could get a larger piece of wood and start hammering it in. You could even drive your car over it and push it in. But since these are so small, I'm using a small piece of wood. And I'll just keep going until I feel like I got it in pretty good. And I think they're going in. Some of it chips out if I try to use the sharp end. So that's why I'm using a flat, wider end, because I gotta give it some time to dry. Now let's go over here where I haven't started at all. This is a really small hole, so I don't even know how effective this is going to be, but as you can see, that's what it looks like right now. Let's start beating it in. So small I could actually just use my hammer directly, but I still feel this wood does a better job. There you go, take a look. Looks pretty good. Should just fade away over time as it solidifies. And here I got one more to go. So the idea is that you're supposed to fill it in a little bit more than above the hole, so that when you push it in and it compacts, it becomes ground level. And you just got to keep doing that until you feel it's at a good place.